What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the J to the Pizzle DIY channel. Today we're going to get into another video in the Man Cave series. I went ahead and upgraded the light switch that I mentioned in the previous video. You can see that one down below. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited about it, and let's go ahead and get into it and get this light switch installed and see what it can do. Yep, I did it. I went out and purchased a Brilliant light switch. Here I'm just getting into the installation. I'm just removing the old light switch to get ready to install the new one. Be sure the power is turned off before you start the installation of the new light switch. If you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, be sure to hire an electrician to do it for you. Power on, Brilliant all lit up, we're good to go. A couple days later, I got a black light switch panel in the mail, and we're gonna go ahead and install that. Just follow the instructions that come in the manual and it should be pretty simple. Here I'm just messing with the settings on the light switch. You can just swipe up to turn it on, swipe down to turn it off. You can set the scenes. I have a movie scene that'll dim the lights. You can go in, you can change the color of the lights, the brightness. Here I'm just messing with the thermostat. You can control any of these smart thermostats, the Ecobee, the Nest. One of my favorite features on the display is that you can change photos. You can show custom photos, and they have a few stock photos you can show too. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. More videos coming soon for this Man Cave series. I got a lot of exciting stuff happening in the near future. Thank you for watching. Peace out.